Good day guys, it's your boy Jason at the manager. And I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to unpublish pages on WordPress. So guys, the first thing you need to do is log into your WP admin account, go over to pages, then hover over the page you want to delete, edit. So once that's done loading, so at the sidebar you see save as draft or trash. So if you save it as a draft, you can later republish it, but if you know you want to permanently delete the page, move to trash. So that's it guys, that's how to delete or unpublish a page on WordPress. Thank you, see you on our next video.